Hello, audience. Sorry for it being so far away, but this is Skylanders.
Oh my god!
Dude, stop. Get them off.
He's teasing me. No, I'm not. It's Michael. Who the heck is Michael?
I know.
Who's Michael?
No one. No, one life. So you can do it fast. No, I'll put power-ups. No, fair fight. Back away, dude. Back away. You're getting too close. Okay, so random pick of the day. Rampart Ruins. I guess it is. Okay, I am gonna wait. Yeah, I'm terafin. Series 2. I would have Series 3, except I didn't buy them. I want to wait until I get the one with the battle pack, so then we can have probably Skyrim tournaments too by then. And he's Flameslinger, the guy who I like, but I don't like to go against.
And I know everybody hates Flameslinger because he cheats.
Yep, he's a little cheater, and should get a life.
Huh. I heard it because of my big giant ears.
Oh yeah, you have elf ears.
Rampart Ruins. Battle Arena.
He's like, I can't see you. It's weird, because, well, it's because we can control the Skylanders, but if he had to control himself, he'd be like, where?
Storm in a bottle. Food. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Fight.
Come on, you want to fight ugly? Ah! It's my turf, boy. You want to come up here? Yeah, that's what I thought, chicken.
Oh no, he hit me. Hit me on my butt. Ow, that hurt, you bully.
Dude, can you back away? You're in my personal space. I can't stay away. You're too close.
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh, I thought I was gonna die! Oh, I thought I was gonna die! Chicken! Chicken!
Get that storm in the bottle. People, if you think that he's cheating, then it's true, because Zach's a big cheater.
What the? I'm doing all those powers. You're just on your turf. That's what you are on anyways.
See, you're using all...
Hey.
Yeah, I know. You can use all your powers.
Yep. So
Yeah, but terafin should actually win, because no one likes Flameslinger. Am I right, people? Yep, no one likes Flameslinger. And he's in the tournament. Let's see, who's he going to go against?
do I press X?
No, dude. No. Press X now. Okay. We will do Gilgrim versus Chop Chop right now. Okay.
I'm all doing.